Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a super handy trick that's perfect for anyone running email campaigns in MailChimp. We're talking about how to add a countdown timer to your emails. If you've ever wanted to create that sense of urgency for your subscribers, maybe it's a limited time sale or a special event, by the end of this tutorial you'll know exactly how to do it step by step, even if you've never touched a line of code before. Let's dive right in and keep things simple. First, go ahead and log into your MailChimp account. If you already have a campaign or a draft email design in progress, open that up so you're ready to make changes. If you're starting from scratch, you can just create a new email design. The process is exactly the same either way. Now in MailChimp's editor, we're going to need to add a little bit of code. Don't worry, this isn't as scary as it sounds. MailChimp actually makes it pretty easy with a feature called the code block. On the right side, you'll see a list of different content options you can drag into your email layout, things like images, text, buttons, and yes, a code block. Go ahead and drag that code content block over to the spot in your email where you want your countdown timer to appear. Think about where it'll have the most impact, maybe right at the top to catch everyone's attention, or just above your main call to action button to really drive those last-minute clicks. Alright, now for the fun part, creating your timer. For this, we're going to use a free tool called MailChimp. Open up a new tab and head over there. MailChimp is great because it lets you quickly design a countdown timer that fits your brand's style, and it automatically generates the code you'll need for MailChimp. You can customize the date and time for when your countdown ends. Think about the exact deadline for your sale or webinar. Plus, you can adjust things like colors, fonts, and even the layout so it matches your email perfectly. Once you're happy with how your timer looks, the site will give you a snippet of code. Copy that code, just highlight it, right-click and select Copy, or use Ctrl+C if you're on Windows or Command+C on a Mac. Remember, this code isn't dangerous. It's just a snippet that tells MailChimp to display the timer image in your email and update it in real time, so every subscriber sees exactly how much time is left, no matter when they open the email. Head back to your MailChimp editor, click into your code block, and paste the code right there. You should see a preview of your countdown timer appear in the email. If you don't see it straight away, don't be alarmed. Sometimes previews take a moment to update, or you might need to click Preview and Test to get the full effect. That's really all there is to it. And just like that, you've added a countdown timer to your MailChimp email. This small touch can have a huge impact on your campaign's effectiveness because that ticking clock creates a real sense of urgency that motivates people to act. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into any issues. I'm always happy to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more email marketing tips and easy how-tos like this, and I'll see you in the next video.